Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In this tutorial, we will learn how to remove Doodle from Google on Windows 11. As you can see, I don't have any current doodles, but doodles may appear when there is a special occasion, such as Christmas, Father's Day, Mother's Day, etc. If you want to remove it permanently, just type this accept URL. This is a plain Google URL. And just copy it exactly like this. Click on the three dot and go to Settings. Navigate to On Startup and click on Add New Page. Under Open a Specific Page or Set Up Pages, click on Add New Page and add the exact URL here. Click on Add and that's it. Reload the settings on Chrome, and every time you open a new tab, your place will be displayed as plain without any Google Doodles. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.